Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to upload your music to Spotify using your Android device. So let's dive right in. In order to get started, first you have to open the Spotify app on your phone. Okay, so once you are on the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. Now click on Settings and Privacy. Okay, so now you have to scroll down and click on Local Files. Okay, so once you find it, enable the Show Audio Files from this device option. Click on Allow. Okay, so now you have to click on Your Library. Okay, so as you can see, all of my local files are now uploaded to my Spotify account, and now I can create playlists and listen to them on any device. However, if your tracks are not showing up here, you can email Spotify support and they will investigate and resolve the issue. And that's it, you have successfully uploaded your music to Spotify using your Android device. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video.